Okay guys, we started from the double sleeve de la riva, switch grip, grab the heel. Alright, he's gonna open my leg to the outside, okay, and he's gonna step back to try to come from the invert half guard. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it go the heel and grab the far pants. Alright, I'm gonna pull the sleeve like a lawnmower, okay? I'm gonna go all the way in between his leg. Okay, I still have the sleeve, I still have the gi pants. I'm gonna use those grips to help me coming up, and I'm gonna stretch this leg. Alright, I'm gonna stretch the leg out, right? And I'm gonna come up and then up on the half guard. Double sleeve de la riva, right? Switch grip, going for the cross grip de la riva. He's gonna open my leg out and step back. I'm gonna grab his far pants, right? I'm gonna pull the sleeve like a lawnmower. That's how I like to call here, lawnmower, right? Pull the sleeve and use the grip on the pants to scoop your head in between his legs, all right? Now, I'm gonna make sure his legs go over my head, okay? I'm gonna use the grips and kicking the leg out to help me to come up. Finishing on half guard.